looks like it's just gonna fall off. Tell me to come a little bit. Sam? Tell me to come back. I'll have to push it on the jack until it gets this ramp. Just squeeze that jack right underneath the car there. Drop my poor camera. Drop my poor camera.
You dropped it? Oh, it was over here?
Just flipped off.
Oh, I didn't know you was. You're recording the whole fucking shit?
Yeah. Alright, this fucker lifted. See what she looked like under there. Trying to get up so I could get this side up. I think that sounds so smooth though. Alright,
That's as high as it'll go.
is it locked now?
Yeah. Should be.
We shouldn't be able to let it down, right?
No, because gotta pull these pins.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
See, it can't go down. Yeah, it's just busted off that, really.
Yeah, it's stopper control.
The axle's actually good yet.
It's back. This is made like that. That one's straight.
Yeah, this is bent here.
Yeah.
Probably put new arms on it over there. Done.
Yeah, it's all bolt on anyways. That whole bracket.
Oh, look at the old exhaust.
Oh, it is.
Floor pan's bent up right there. So it crinkles.
Hey, look at that. You got yourself a stick right through a hole.
Yeah, too.
Definitely did it good. I can't believe this fucker's got that little drive shaft.
Yeah, they put them carbon fiber ones in them.
That's why I ride so good.
Yeah.
Front end ain't hurt.
Huh?
Front end ain't hurt.
This tie rod here's bent shit.
I don't know, that might just look like that. I don't think that's bent.
And then this one snapped off.
I don't think this is bent.
From there. Huh?
That ain't bent. This is gonna say.
Man, that's a cave in there though. You could probably pop it down, son. do?
It's locked.
Huh?
You just call up. Yeah, it's unlocked now.
It does almost sound smoother than that Mac. Now it's just finding a key fob. Now. Ain't doing anything. The dash is lit up though.
Tag, speedometer. 12,846 miles.
What's that key fob?
Right here. It's not working.
See the batteries.
It's doing something because it lit up on the dash. Try to hook manually. Turn the key.
Yeah, it don't work. That's how I realized this thing. Well, obviously that key fob's working. It's got juice.
Well, it had
It's still in gear or something?
Well, see, and that's the other part of it. It's got the shifter was in question. Let's see if it. Well, what it'll do if I get in there.
What with this?
I don't know. There's still. I should be able to pop the trunk from here even.
Yeah. Hey, look at that. I got some cleaner.
Right.
That's some keys to it.
Right. Wax. Very clean.
What the fuck, that sound system?
Yeah. So I could put a charger on that battery, probably.
I'll bring that jump box right back here and stick it right on that.
Says key fob not detected.
How long has it been smashed? 2 years? Need that little round battery.
Let's run up the hardware.
Yeah, put the charger on the wall.
So now it should see with the key fob, new batteries in it.
But earlier it wasn't.
Let's
when I-
show, okay. All right, so there you go, people. There's the fix to, a temporary possible fix to a key fob not hit the start button about 4 times, and then it started right up.
Oh, okay. This morning.
Not working though. You got it to the run mode. Got it showing mission accessory on.
Yeah, that's what's weird is fucking,
Huh?
you got a good battery? Top post battery?
I'm sure I do somewhere. So modern muscle, as you can see, we've made quite a bit of headway here in the garage. Got another lift up. Done a good lift, pretty good lift for the money right there. I mean, I think I only gave like $1,300 for that. I bought 4 of those, like I said, and then 4 of the 4 posts, which we've now decided that we're going to just put. I was gonna put another 4 posts there. I mean, originally I was gonna try to fill it all, but right now it's like the perfect spot and room to do this Hellcat project. Move it up here. And then, you know, we've got the Hellcat. Once we got lifted up, we pretty much figured out that, you know, we're going to get some trailing arms on the front and back. And that's going to make this car runnable, drivable with another cooler up in the front. And then we really won't know how bad it extends up here until we get this tore apart. But it really doesn't look near as bad as, I guess it's not as bad as it looks for sure. I mean, this obviously, this quarter, you know, but whether just putting a quarter on it or putting a whole shell, I've seen shells on eBay for $1,500, so I was thinking about maybe possibly just doing that, or, you know, we'll see what it costs to put a quarter and probably a roof skin on it, you know. But if I could find a shell that had all perfectly good airbags and was like a flood vehicle, I mean, that'd probably be the most ideal. But we'll just go whatever way works out the best and cheapest for that. So anyways, got that, and then we got over here, we got started getting it cleaned out so we can get the toolbox, and then got the Demon, obviously, which will be going for a last stock race on the 19th of January. And we got this cleaned out some, but I plan on getting rid of all this stuff so you can get around the lift on the outside. And I don't need them benches once I get my big toolbox in the back there, which I'll be doing. And I just gotta find a spot to put my Demon crate, because this is definitely what we'll be working on over here. It's the charger. And then so yeah, anyways, that's pretty much going to be it for the video. Just wanted to have an update on where we're at and what we got going.